Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the data series in a chart in Excel. Okay, so I have this line graph. So I have the team size, effective ticket per engineer, ticket load per engineer. And I have the data source here. So I want to change the team size line. I want to make it operations team instead of team size. So the first step is right click on the chart and select data and then select team size because this is the series that I want to change. Click edit and then select name, series name. This is the column name. So I'm going to select operations team. So you can also erase it and then select operations team and series values. These are actually the rows or the values. So clear the data and then select the values and then click OK. Now we see that operations team is now selected, or this is the data series that is displaying in the chart. Okay, so that's how you can quickly change the data series in an Excel chart. Hopefully you found this video useful. If you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.